There's no sludge or anything of the likes. There's the motor. Oh! The front weight is missing. Tell me if I'm wrong, because I'm looking at this at a really strange angle. But there's the sump hose to there, the pump. But that has no front weight. And it's meant to have a front weight. Yeah, the machine's been tampered with. And that's nice. The water's been turned off. But it has a cold feed on it. But for some reason, whoever was in the house last before we got it back, been tampering with it, or not telling us that it's actually got issues with it. That's a nice one.